What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I am going to be covering a $1 million penny that sold recently this year. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so currently there's a penny out there that just sold for over $1 million because of an error that it had and how it got a mint state 65 grade. That's right. Look at this. On Great Collection website, this penny sold for over $1 million. Why did it sell for over $1 million, you might ask? Because of this error right here. As you can see, similar to the 1955 error penny, this is very, very severe doubling in liberty and in God we trust. And so this penny sold for so much because of the simple fact that it had this doubling error. It's called a double die obverse. And because, of course, of the state of the condition that the penny is in. So right now, there are only 3 known pennies that have been found, 1958 pennies that have been found with this error. And of course, just like with any of these other pennies, there's a possibility that there may be more of these out there. So please, please, please check your coins. And if you find this 1958 DDO error, put this in a coin holder ASAP and get it graded, guys. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy hunting. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.